And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. Welcome to part 2. This painting has been drying overnight. It's a 10 by 20, and maybe you just saw part 1. And I took a picture of it yesterday, and then I digitally altered it to find out that I wanted to do some other stuff, and I'm going to just brazenly do that other stuff right now. And that other stuff includes attempting to spread some orange paint just above the horizon line in the sky, because I really liked how it looked, and I don't mind what shows through in the background, but I really liked how it looked. And then I'm just going to add a little sun. So I'm going to say thank you guys for all the subscribing. Thanks. Because there's almost 75,000 of you. Yay, reason to celebrate. I love you guys. Appreciate all the great comments too. Let me have a look at this myself. Make sure I'm still as happy with that as I want. I think I'm going to just go as high as I wanted. My original thought yesterday was to make a really large landscape and a really tiny sky. So that's what happened when I was playing. I hope this doesn't suck. It doesn't look as good as it looked to me at the time when I was playing with it digitally. But I know that I'm going to like it, no matter what. Even if tomorrow I have to come back and fix it again. I think I'm just going to keep right on going up there. I gotta say though, it makes me want to throw some pink in there. I am kind of making the orange more sheer than it's probably meant to be. But don't ask me why. I needed to do that. I'm going to put some more pink in there. See if I can make myself happy. Sort of planed up the sky. I've been thinking about adding parts of paintings that are just plain a straight color. Maybe using a dustpan pour. So I can use my spatula to scrape paint, and I think maybe I will scrape some paint because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link below, show more underneath the video, and I think it makes it a little more interesting, at least for me, if I do that. Maybe I'm just as happy with having some orange stripes as I thought I would be having an all orange area. Still going to use my finger to tap over the edges and fill in over there, and maybe to remove a little paint too. So I don't mind that. I do want to get rid of the paint on my spatula and bring the rest of that blue back, and maybe just a little water to clean off this blue, because having dried overnight I should be able to do that with my studio rag assistance without too much damage. I see I got a little bit of water in there, and I'm just going to wipe that up. So the last thing that I wanted to do, I'm still going to have to turn it my way. The last thing I wanted to do was put a sun in there, and I have to make up my mind how I want to do that. I think I'm going to shake that first, make sure that I can get what I want out of it. This could be an ongoing painting. I could start now, and I saw that thing that did not belong in there. I'm using the dull end of my skewer. And whatever that little piece of schmutz is in there, it didn't come from any paint, because this is the first thing I've done today. Hopefully my head isn't totally obscuring everything you're seeing. In any case, I think I'm not unhappy with that at all. I want to keep playing, but I'm not sure that's a great idea. I left my white pearl inside the studio because I was mixing paints before this. There's something in that little piece of paint there that has to go away. So I actually like that now, and I'm good with it. I'm going to smooth out that little orange line and any other little orange lines and call it good. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio, and I'm sure someone's going to tell me they liked it better the other way, but I'm okay with that. I think I'm going to give myself just a little more of that orange right there. And maybe right here too. Just can't stop me. Unstoppable P. Make sure I like that. Yeah, I don't mind that. You know what I'm going to do. You know there's something coming, don't you? Something. It's just got to be something. I think that's the wrong color, but I know where the right color is. This is that color I was in love with yesterday. Let's find out if it's open or not. It's not. Come on out. Yes. Very gently. So gently as to not be seen at all. Let's make sure I have a clean skewer. Clean and dry. Or mostly clean. And mostly dry. Well, my paint is still wet. Yes. Okay. That's it. I'm just not super thrilled with lackluster. I need drama. I don't have much in my life in Spring Hill, I gotta say. The occasional lesson is as dramatic as it gets around here. That and selling artwork on the internet, which is nice. It is the drama I crave, actually. There we go. Yeah, I love that color, and I want as much of it as I can give myself permission to add. Because it's zhuzhing up what I want. I kind of feel like I could go ahead. Yeah, I am just using my fingers. Go ahead and add a few dark lines into my tree line, but I'm pretty happy with that right now. It doesn't keep me from wanting to have that white pearl, and I know where it is. It's inside, and I'm going to have to go finish mixing it because it was almost out. But I will go ahead and give myself a little bit of white down there where the white was already come out. Okay, I'm going to have to poke you, I guess. Talking to inanimate objects. Alright. So, no matter how long it takes, or what the method is, give yourself a break and do what you feel is necessary to make things the way you want them to be. Especially if you're not recording a video. Yeah, it's a lot simpler sky than it was, but that's okay. I'm going to go find my white paint, and we're done. I love you guys. Watch for the end screens. You can find my website there if you want to talk to me. I do give classes. I do sell my artwork. And there's always a contest on the end screens. And I'm about to draw the name of the winner for the 28th of July today. Tonight at midnight, basically, so I'll be announcing it tomorrow. But there should be a new contest soon. You guys take care. This is Priscilla Batzell. Ending part 2 right now. Although I might touch up the top edge because it looks a little dowdy. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Watch some of the 750 videos I've got there on my playlist. It helps me out immensely. And give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps the YouTube algorithm know where to put my videos so more people can find them. Alright, you guys take care. Bye for now. Priscilla out.